All right, we are going to be solving the question above under circuit analysis. The question says we should find the equivalent resistance between terminal A and terminal B. All right, so how do we solve this question? If you look at the above circuit clearly, you are going to observe that any current that enter into this branch will be the same with the one that's going to enter into this part. So it means that 7 ohms, 4 ohms, 1 ohms, and 3 ohms, they are all in what? In series. So we can therefore say the total resistance, let's call it RT1, going to be equals to 7 plus what? 7 plus 4 plus what? Plus 1 plus what? Plus 3. So this is going to give us what? 15 ohms. All right, so 15 ohms. So it therefore means that we can therefore eradicate what we have here, eradicate this, replace this with 15 ohms. So our new diagram is going to look like this. All right, so you are going to observe that this is how our diagram is going to look like now. All right, so you are going to see that 15 ohms is in parallel with what? 5 ohms. So 15 ohms is parallel to 5 ohms. All right, so if you combine that, let's call it RT2. So this will be 15 multiplied by 5 all over 15 plus 5. If you press this carefully in your calculator, I'm going to have this to be 6.3 ohms. All right, so that is what we are going to have. And now we can therefore redraw the circuit again now. So we are going to have something in this manner. We're going to have this. All right, so we have 6 ohms here. We have 6.3 ohms here. And then here we have 2 ohms. Here is our diagram now. Now that we have combined this and this together, so we can remove this, then replace this 5 ohms with 6.3 ohms. So you can see that everything now will now be in series. There we can therefore calculate the total resistance, the equivalent resistance between terminal A and B. So we can say RO equivalent will be equals to 6 plus 6.3 plus 2. So this is going to give us what? 6 plus 2 is 8, and 8 plus 6.3 is, so we are going to have 18.3 ohms here. All right, and here ends the solution to the above question. Mind you, don't forget to reach out to us if you need any of our materials on circuit analysis or on any other courses that we have treated in our channel. And mind you, if today is your first time of coming across our content, do well to give this video a thumbs up, hit on the notification bell so that anytime we upload a video like this, you'll be the first to receive the notification. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends who might be in need of this. Thank you. Stay tuned.